Hello friends, in this video we will discuss about the Internet Group Management Protocol. It is a protocol which is used in the multicasting. Okay, so let's start with the introduction of it. So let's take an example of a system, that is the autonomous system. Yes. It is connected to an Ethernet, then to a multicast router. And then these are the systems. So I am taking a message that is coming from here, and it to be multicast here, here, and here, and here, and here. Okay, so it should go here, here, and here. Okay, so it should be multicast in these groups. If we talk in the form of group, so it should be multicast in the groups. So there should be anything, it is a very small autonomous system, but if there is a large system, then there should be a management of the groups. So for that management, this protocol was introduced, that is called Internet Group Management Protocol. So thus it can be defined as, so what will be the definition of the, okay, and it can be abbreviated at IGMP. Okay, and it can be defined as that IGMP is a group management protocol. Group management protocol, which helps in the multicasting in order to create and update a list along with router and what is that list? List that include a loyal member from each group. Okay, so what is this? That if these two system are in a group G1, these are G2, these are G3. Okay, so this router have details of this group G1, and this router have the detail of G2, and this router have detail of G3, and again this will be the a loyal member for this router, and these will update to this router. Let's take it as the R1, so and this as R2, R3, R4. Okay, so R2, R3 and R4 will be the loyal member which help the R1 to make its group list. So this list will help this router R1 that if a message come and if it read the multicast to address of it, and it will be this, it will match with this list and it will get recognized that this datagram or this packet should be sent to which interface, and these way are known as the interface, so it will be helpful in that one. Okay, there are the three version have come. This version of the IGMP, that the Internet Group of Management Protocols. So the first and second version, according to those version, that a receiver would receive any coming packet. Means if a packet is such that okay, let me take some other, yeah, there is a message M1, M1, M1 coming to all three, then all three will definitely receive these messages without caring that from where it is coming. But the R3 that third version was much updated. Third version was updated. So according to third version, if there is a router which want to want any data from the router M2, or I have taken name R1, R2, R3, so let's take it R6, and this is the router R2 that in its list that has been maintained group list have the R6, not R1. So if a message is coming for R1, it will not receive it. It will check that it is this R1 is in my list or not. So R1 is not in its list, so it will not receive this data. And if data such that M5 is coming from the R6, then it will receive it. So these were some three version of the IGMP. And in the third version, there is a type of it, that is IGMPv3. So in our syllabus or in our this series, we will discuss about this version of the IGMP, that is IGMP v3. Okay, so let's meet in the next video. Thank you.